How to cancel your Audible membership. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can cancel your Audible membership. And this is how to do about it. The first step is to open your device, then head over to your Play Store, alright, or your App Store, depending on where you got your application from. And then once you're on your Play Store, you'll be brought to your home page automatically, right, of your Play Store. So if you're not there, ensure you're on your home page. On this page, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. Then in the box displayed, you'll see options like manage apps and device, notifications and offers, payment and subscriptions. Just click on payment and subscriptions. Then you'll be taken to another page. On this page, you also see options like payment methods, subscriptions, budget and history, redeem code. Ensure you click on subscriptions, and then you take it to your subscriptions page where you will see your current subscription and which Audible is there. So in order for you to cancel your Audible membership is for you to cancel your subscription. So select Audible and scroll down to the last part of the screen and click on cancel subscription. Or as you can see on my screen, just click on cancel subscription. And then once you've done that, you'll be asked if you're sure, like by clicking on it to load, and then you'll be asked to select a reason why you'd like to cancel. Select the reason, click on continue, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to cancel subscription. Select yes, and then your cancellation will be cancelled. And then once it's cancelled, an email confirmation will be sent to you, and then your Audible membership will also be cancelled. So this is how you can cancel your Audible membership. So go ahead and try it out today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.